All right, good morning. This is SageFT. My name is Revan Wood. You're watching the live trading desk. Here we go, baby. All right, first and foremost, smash that like button, everybody, because you know what you're about to witness. Nothing but goodness. What helps us the most is hitting that like button. Good morning, guys. Good morning, Mark, Tommy, Eric, Rosie, Niall, TF, Stan, TJ, Street View. It's a good morning to you. Let's get it. All right, this morning we're going to have a goal of 10 super chats. All the colors. Okay, we'll set a timer for 1 hour. And we'll do it. Ask me anything once trading is completed here. It's who you know. All right, the overnight high is 10, and we had quite a few hits at 10. 4. And we stayed at 10 for quite a long time. Good morning, Peter, Kyle, Wayne, Israel. Good morning. It's a good morning to ya. 225 is my over-under. First thing we're going to point out, let's get rocking here. We are so far from outside narrow range that we would have to go 33 points or something like that, right? We need 33 points of range expansion. We're only at 19. That's going to be the hurdle for the morning. We need to wait for lower Keltner to get in with size. All right, high and tight, sitting at all-time highs. We are at the 6,000 handle. You have witnessed a millennia roll over, everybody. The millennia has rolled over. We are now with a 6 handle. Wow. Wow. Let's go to the 4 hour. All right, so hangover day so far. We're really far away from the 20. We're the 20. Look at what we have here. We got some distance. We got equidistant spacing, right? Okay. Dual spaced away from the 200, away from the 20. So it says, let it breathe. Give it some hangover room. Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, just ask him how many kids I have. Thanks for the $6 super chat. Let's go. The goal didn't update. What the hell? Did that not go as a super chat? What the hell? They're trying to get you to invest, or they say something about Telegram, huh? Yeah, I'm an African scammer. No, it did go through, but it's not showing as... Weird. Yeah, it just didn't go towards the goal. Thank you. We know it did, so it doesn't matter. On and on it goes.
Order submitted.
Never shy doing what I've shown. No, not the person being African. When I think of Telegram, I think of it as the African scam site. Oh, I want to learn from Adam Mancini. Join my Telegram, or what's the other one? Periscope, or something like that. all Elijah heard was
Oh, I get what you're saying. I got it from here, guy. Wink. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Why won't you listen to me?
that would put the target at 11. 6011. Murray Co. Okay, let's go to the 15-minute chart. All right, this is where I'm locked in, right? This is what I see. Never me. I got one micro on for that. In take profit, it's cheaper to trade in micros than in Apex. Whoa, whoa. All right, let's go ahead and jump on over to Twitter, or X.com as it's called. Let's go ahead and go to Adam Mancini 4. All right, what I'm going to do is go to Adam Mancini 4, and I'm going to use these levels here as what he calls technical analysis 101. I'm going to use them as pivots on my charts. I'm going to trade to and from them. Now, I want to remind everyone, because we're the narrowest range of the last 7 trading days, ATR of 1, you can see that on the daily chart. We have to use the Keltner channels on the 2-minute chart. So for me to take a scalp, it has to come down. If I'm going to go long, it has to come down to lower Keltner. trading micros and take profit is half the price of Apex. Look at the realized here. You've got 25 cents in, 25 cents out, 52 cents in, 52 cents out. That's really high for micros on Apex, but Apex is way cheaper for the mini, and then take profit is way too expensive for the mini. All right, we've got 59.79, 00 midpoint, 09 top of the chop. Keep 16 and 35 alive. 79 fails, we finally dip. All right. Now I got to figure out where 79 comes from. I ask no one. No clue. Morning. Morning. They're going to play with this big round number for quite a while here. Happy Friday, everybody. Let's go. Well, let's get it going, baby. Come on now. I've been up for hours blasting fools. Anyone play Black Ops 6? Anyone? If you don't, you should, so we can get a team going here. If you have a badass computer, jump on Xbox computer or whatever the hell they call it. Xbox PC, I think they call it. And for, I think it's $10 a month or something like that. $16 a month. You get all the games. So you don't have to go buy games. They're watching 0125. What was the 0050? Damn, we're way past that. They snuck past me on that one. 0125, 0150 is your entry. Your stop's 98.25. That would put us, okay, at 425 first target. Damn, I missed that. Oh, she gone. She gone. Okay, and if you have a target, if you're in the 15-minute removal, you've got an 11 target. That's right, 11. We got a Charlie Foxtrot going on here. We have narrow state is why I was hesitant. Yeah, the trade was too perfect. It was too good, right? It was too good. We need a 15-minute close above that 0225. Until then, it's just going to keep hitting it because we have so much sitting here. We've got the 15-minute 20. We've got the 2-minute 200. Which would be our fractal of the 15, 20. 40 seconds. Oh, 425 is your target if you're in this. Man, that is just not going to work. Okay. I'm not going to put the order in, but that is the perfect. Green overtakes red in position 1. Fractal. 425 is your target if you're in. 11 is the ultimate target. 11's the ultimate target. $425 filled. Damn it. Those dirty rats. They shot my brother. And I'm going to shoot them. All right, I guess I'm going to wait for the next one. Next. Oops. Oh, no. Oh, no.
Are you sure about that?
Oh. Here we go. Pushing too many buttons, folks. Pushing too many buttons. 425 was your target on that long if you took it. I don't know if my computer can handle that. Mart. Those guys that stream video games like that, everybody, I hope you understand they have 2 computers, right? And they have what's called a capture card where they're streaming on one. It captures the game on the other while they're playing the game, right? Because I'm looking at my internals. Watch this. This is what happens. Okay, so this is really cool here. If you have an MSI computer, if you have one of these, Ryan, are you here? Check this out. You can turn the you can clock it, you can overclock it right here. Okay. But if I push this, all of the fans, watch this. So if we go to fan 1, fan 2, look, they're going to spin at 6,500 RPM the whole time. Okay, so that keeps it cool, right? So if you look at the GPU temperatures here, 114 goes to maybe about 160, right? But if we turn that off, turns the fans down. Okay, but what I want you to notice is when I'm playing the video game, this says 100%. The GPU is in full force. So I don't, and as you see, my memory is 52%. I don't know if I could stream the game and still play it because of my crappy internet. Ooh, it got excited. It got excited. It thought we were going to play a game. No. All right, so did they draw a lick here? We're going to find out, folks. We're going to find out. That was a perfect 2-minute trade, though. Deutschne. 150 would have been your entry, so your target would have been just a little bit higher. Yeah, no, I don't know how just running straight off of YouTube works. See, because you have to have the OBS running anyway, right? So you have to have this thing running. forget to hit that like button, everybody. Don't forget it. Don't forget to hit the like freaking button. That's what helps us the most. The way we're going to get to 10,000 viewers is everybody hitting the freaking like button. That's the one thing that we could ask of you. It doesn't cost any money. Those of you that are new, welcome. Welcome. Make sure you have that subscribe button hit. Make sure you have your notifications bell turned to on so you know when we're streaming and when we put out content. We do put out content 6 days a week. Now, I do have a 4K capture card. The internet, so even if I were to get another computer, the internet wouldn't be able to handle it because I only have a 16 upload, right? That's what's boxing the whole thing. A little treat for everybody over in Discord. Just a little treat. Just a little treat for you. Nothing too spectacular. All right, at the low to low. Some of them are too good. Oh, they're too good. I hate to laugh because of the victims, but come on. You knew what you were doing going to a Diddy party. Yeah. Dr. Doodiddle. Let's go. Oh. Stop. Hey, stop. Fat dog. We have had no complaints whatsoever with Take Profit, Darko. And the significance is there's no, so it's that the fee that you're going to pay for the account, there's no activation fee afterwards. So if you use the promo code, get that cheap going. Take Profit. Yep. We've had no complaints. Isaiah really likes them in the fact that you go into a live account after 5,000. They don't just keep you in the sim account. No. Besides, FTT was a complete fraud. Is that what you're talking about? Big old scam. They thought that they could internalize it, right? They thought that they could have enough people paying in that they would be able to pay out if anyone actually hit. They were hoping that everyone would be a losing trader and keep losing and having to reset the accounts faster than they would have to pay out. That's my best guess as to what happened. All right, back at 6,000, folks. Back at 6,000 after that touch of 4.25. 4.25. Yeah, it's not sustainable, right? If they only have one business, if they only have one SKU or one model, they have nothing to support that model. They're all pretty similar, except this one they instantly paid you out if you made money. And people were like, "Oh, all right. Challenge accepted," right? And then the traders that could actually trade, yeah, there was not enough resets, right? So if we think about Ponzi, there's not enough resets to pay out the actual payouts. Yeah, we didn't promote it too much. We have an affiliate with it, but no one ever clicked on it. I mean, no one ever used it. So that's great. You can sniff it out from a mile away. You know what I mean? Welcome back to 6,000, folks. Welcome back. Morning. All right, there's a $2 super chat. Happy Friday. Happy Friday, LTD. Happy Friday to you too, good sir. Yeah, everyone looked at it. We saw that there was a ton of clicks, but no click-throughs. Yeah, absolutely. No, yeah, none of you guys signed up for it. You guys know some names that did, right? There's no need to talk about what the names are, right? All right, so now we're in straight position 1 on the 2-minute chart. So 01 with an 03 stop. $99 is your target. If it gets any lower, I'm going to cancel. Yeah, I don't see anything wrong with Apex, MFF, or Take Profit Trader. Okay, those are the 3 that we're associated with at this time, and we are looking at another one that we promoted before. There's your 99s. If you're short 01, here's your first target. We have another one that we might bring online. We need someone to test it. And it can't be me because I can't use my own code. If someone wants to be a guinea pig for another one that is a good prop firm, but that just didn't have the cookies right, we haven't looked at Tradeify yet. All right, hit contact at SageFT.com if you want to be a guinea pig. All right, you're at your lower Keltners. You guys should be short up. watching 6,000. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. I'm still here. Watching OOs. Come on. Come. Nina, come. Nina, come on. I'm not playing around. Come. The OO evens are a big um, resistance point here so far. All right. Oh, go Lions. Hey. Go Packers. All right, we got a $10 Venmo from Ricky. Have a great weekend, team. Go Lions. No, go Packers. Let's hear your team. Let's get a chat going of who your favorite team is. You guys know who mine is. I'm going for the Packers. Now, English or American football, please let me know which one. Real Madrid. I like Real Madrid. OO evens is our OO over and under. The Kickney hurling team. The Kilkenny. The Kilkenny hurling team. Isn't that a show? Look at how many times they're printing this 00 evens here. Interesting. They're making us sign up again. That's interesting. Letter Kenny. Kill Kenny. Okay. That's on South Park, I guess, right? Kill Kenny. 45 seconds. All right, we've got a super chat from David A. $1.99 for Andy and Tad's mom. They have the same mom. You guys didn't know that. TT races. What are TT races? They're leaning on this 00 even here in just a little bit. Can they shake us out before they take it higher? Looks like they're going to shake us out before they take it higher here, folks. They're trying to pull the bid off of the 99s, off the 00s. My stop is 98.25. I just have this removal box. I can always re-enter a trade. It's counter trend, so I'm really, really light. You see that the position one to the downside is formed, so I'm really, really light. I've got two contracts I've layered in for very, very light trading here. Got a 3-tick stop on my ad in the OTE discount pricing model here. Okay, 99.50's out. I've got back to one left. Back to one left. Stop is 98.25 hard. Oops. Need to go down to one contract. I don't have a bracket on, so that's why you're hearing all these weird orders. Motorcycle, right? Am I understanding this correctly? It's a motorcycle race. I don't like this. I'm looking to get out. Scratch here. Okay, I'm completely out. That's going to be a scratch trade. I do not like it. Well, now it's going to go straight up in the air. Scratch trade for me. I got +2, -2. I want something cleaner. Show me something better first. Oh, look at that, right down to the 99s. I'm out. That's so stupid. $10 in commissions. Get the fuck out of here. It's just not acceptable. We got to fix that. Yeah, good. Oh, great exit. I would have got stopped out at 98.25. It's just going against the first position, right? So, and the Keltner has moved away from it. That's why I exited for a scratch. Oh yeah, look at Ethereum. Look at that thing just smashing. All right, everybody. It's my favorite time of the morning. Let's break the monotony here. Let's break it. I want you to go ahead and get your cider drinks, your whiskey drinks, your vodka drinks, your hard alcohol, your hard drinks, your soft drinks, caffeinated, decaffeinated, coffee, yerba mates, mochas, matchas. It's time to get them in the air. Let's go ahead and cheers to a great weekend, everybody. Cheers. Spam that cheers emote, everybody. And I spelt it on myself. Pretty usual. Veterans Day on the, yeah. Oh, yeah. So hey, Siri, is the stock market open on Monday? Shut up. Hey, Siri, is the stock market open on Veterans Day? That's not what I asked you. Hey, Siri, is the New York Stock Exchange open on Monday?
I can't get stock information for Monday.
Oh. Hey, Siri, what are the trading hours for the New York Stock Exchange on Monday?
I can't get stock information.
No, none of that shit, huh? No, useless piece of shit. $3 trillion company, guys, and it can't tell me if it's open on Veterans Day. Imagine that. Imagine. Uh-oh. Microsoft is going to use it. I'm going to use Microsoft Bing. No. The bond market will be closed. That's it. Yeah. Hey, Siri, use Gronk. Oh, I guarantee you found something about that, but you don't want to because it is not liberal. Yeah, it doesn't matter, right? I guarantee you. I bet you any amount of money, it's not. Hey, Siri, open up Grok.
It doesn't look like you have an app named Grok. You can search for it in the App Store.
Hey, Siri, use Grok on X.com. It's such horse shit. It's such horse shit. Nah, Gemini's too woke. Oh, Apple is absolutely too. You saw it. Too woke. Abso-freaking-lutely. Android is not better than Apple, I promise you. I listen, here's why I know this. I replace my wife's Android phones every 16 months. I replace my iPhone about every 6 years. Futures Trader 87. Yo, what's up, buddy? All right, we're still in position 1 to the downside. Is anyone short? I mean, look, every time they pop it up, they're just taking it, right? Yeah, good. Yeah, we're in position 1, shown here. Yeah, there's lots of NQ traders in here, future. And welcome, 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 welcome. Nah, the problem with Android is it starts glitching and starts pausing and everything, and then you know the battery dies quickly. I use my phone 14 hours a day, literally 14 hours a day. 98.50. That's a little low. The short was up here when where we didn't get filled. What was it? 125. I want to remind everyone you are narrow range. Being narrow range, you can only short the upper Keltner. You can't be short on the lower Keltner. Where did we have that short? 125, right? One. It was 1 even or 125 no fill. What was it? 835. Oh, here it was. 1 even was 1 even with a 3 stop. That's what it was. You know, I used an Android for years and years and years and years until I got my iPhone 6, and I said, what the hell was I ever thinking? Why did I ever use an Android? The simplicity of this is far superior to the Android for me, for my brain, right? Personally. Now, will I use a MacBook Pro or something like that? No, and here's why. These trading programs are not meant for Mac or Apple, right? So we have to use the competitor. He puts it so nicely. Oh, snookies. It's a happy Friday to you all. Let's get it. Okay. Oh, even is our number. Over, under. All you nerds out there. Some of us aren't nerds. Some of us just need a phone that works. You know what I mean? That's nerd speak. Nerds. Ogre. He was my favorite character. Nerds. I used to be able to do it really good. Now my throat's just so messed up from yelling and smoking and all that bullshit. Did they just rat hole him again? Damn it, I did it again. Yeah, this time they're trying to sell and it's not really working. You can see it on the tape. Not unlike last time, right? Unlike last time where they got it up above 00 even and they just removed the bid. This time they're trying to remove the bid, but they're seeing it not work on the tape here. You've got 167 offered at 01s. Completed business at 00 half. Now we got a battle between 00s and 00 halves. Can they find a 3/4? See, you had 14 stops there at 3/4. I'm going to cancel that ad order. They need to find a new buyer. Right now, they found a new seller. Quite the battle here. You got 30 seconds till the 8 tries to cross the 20. 30 seconds is a long time. You got 15 seconds here. Can they close this at 00 quarters? 00 quarters? Here we go. Here's the next bar. And we got 1 minute till the 15-minute bar closes. Here comes your 01s. Can your 01s print? Can your 01s print? How many stops? 10 stops. 127, 135, 143, 125s, 125s, 150s, 150s. Here we go. Good, 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 good. I'm going to close that out there. Small little pea pod winner. What happened? Why did it only go in one? Wait a minute. What? Wait. What the frick had just happened? 0225 is your target. Why did that only go in one account? We've got a super chat from Tad. Your target was 225. You should be filled. Here's how I have it drawn. If we get through this VWAP and this 200, it's off to the races. Okay, you've got an upper Keltner of 325. Now, the reason I liked the box the second time, and I'm still trying to figure out how the hell it only traded one. Only one of my accounts caught that. Why is that? My trade copier did not work. Moments of silence for Andy. 6 weeks with. I don't want to say anything because he might not. You might not be on earbuds. Andy, are you on earbuds? Okay, then I'm going to read the super chat. Moments of silence for Andy. 6 weeks with a mother-in-law in the same house. Heavenly Father, please look out for our friend Andy as he goes through it. Let's go. Poor Andy. Poor guy. Great trade, everybody. Great job. Nice trade. Now, if you want to know more about this trade, okay, here's the game plan. It's the last thing that it shows you in the game plan. This is why we didn't want to short down there either, right? Andy is now speaking in third person, everybody. And he says he is going to be really beep boop for 6 weeks. I got to be careful what I say on the tubes here. On the tubes of you. Why does anyone know why my Apex did not follow this take profit trader? I have it set up correctly, right? Oh, I know why. It has the wrong freaking account. I see why I did it. Okay. I see why I did it. Good. No, Ryan, no. It was me. I had the sim as the account. Good morning, all. Let's have some fun. We got $5 from Zzop. Let's go. That was my fault for only getting one of my accounts some moolah. That's okay. I'm okay. I'm okay. All right. Good morning, all. Let's have some fun. Yes, let's do that. I forgot the market hasn't even opened yet. We've been hot and heavy in here. Ryan, I found something really cool on these MSIs. That little console Ryan, go to watch this. That little thing that starts up called MSI. Yeah, the name of your computer. MSI Control Center. You see this? Watch this. You can control everything. Watch this. Go to features, go to user scenario when you're playing your hardcore games. Click on this, click on fan speed, click on cooler boost. Bro. Wow, does it change the performance? Bro, It changes everything. See how these are just running about 3,000 RPM? Watch this. Watch this. Features, user scenario, hit the little wheel, go to fan speed, cooler boost. Watch this. Now it's just, you can change everything, bro. Look at this. You can clock it, VRAM clock, fan speed. Okay, and then now look at this. Look at what it's doing. It cools it. Look at how much it cools it. So on the in-between screens, it literally brings it down to about 130. When you're playing the game, it goes up to about 167. If you don't have this on, it overheats. That's what makes it look like you're drifting and your keyboard doesn't work. Yeah, and now here's the deal. There are so many other, Ryan, all of these have different cool things in them you can play with. I got to turn the fans down. They're really loud. You should game on it. Not while you're coding, not while you have the other stuff open, but you should definitely game on it. It's so badass. Yeah, we should get sponsored by MSI and Elgato. He's getting married, so he's throwing your trading computer out. Here's a tip. Here's something about moving averages most of you probably don't know. There are more money, there are more strategies built on moving averages than any other strategy in the world. There is more money riding on the moving averages than anything else. Oh, he's getting married, so you're going to the United States. Taylor, are you in here? No, Ryan's brother, Taylor. He's one of our clients. He doesn't trade futures, but he definitely listens to what we're talking about. Who took the OO evens box? It was perfect. It was perfect. And the reason I say that it was perfect is this right here. Okay, the draw on lick, and then the slope of the 8 EMA. The problem is it keeps knocking its head on this VWAP /200 simp. No, Taylor from MFT is more than welcome here, but I would never ask him if he's here. It's like, hey, Patrick, are you here? Come on. You know Patrick's in here. It's been a great morning, everyone. How you doing? How you doing? The old P-Funk. That was not Patrick. That was, dude, that was that. I have an idea of who it is, but I can't put a name on it. Yes. The answer's yes. Someone said some stupid question yesterday, and the answer was yes. What was it? Not any one of us or anything like that. We tried to buy some Teddy Swims tickets for next year. No, I'm not paying that. Any Teddy Swims fans in here besides myself? If you've never heard Teddy Swims sing, Do yourself a favor and do that now. He's the best. TF, €2. Yes. The answer's yes. Let's go, baby. For some reason, it's not counting on the AMA ones. So I don't understand why it's not counting towards the goal here. It says we've only had 2 super chats. We've had more than 2 super chats. And folks, if you have a question, super chat the question. If I don't see it, Elijah will message me or Lexi will message me and say, hey, there's a super chat. You need to read it. And who's still long for Upper Keltner? Ian's still in. Ian needs one tick Rick. You're going to get it for sure. You've got 284 at 350. They have to fill that order. You've got 3 at 775. You've got 354. But then again, on the other side, at 97.25, you've got 342. I know, and neither did Niles. I'm not sure why it's doing that. Yeah, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, I can see how many super chats we have. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we need 4 more. It's only counted 2 of the 6. I think I put the wrong setting on there. Nonetheless, yep. Neither did yours. Don't worry, guys. There's your 325s. Ian, you bought 'em. All right, that's 7. 3 more, and you guys can ask me anything. There you go, Ian. Let's go, baby. Now you've got completed business. You've got a hole at 175, folks. 175. Tad, $1.99. Thank you, Tad. Let's go. All right, 450. Okay, the market's open in 2 minutes, and they're ripping it. Okay, 450 is your 2R from your 6 even entry. Eric Richardson, no, it is not doing it. 3. Okay, I think we're there. I mean, hey, feel free. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, we'll end the goal. I don't know. How do I end it? Look, it doesn't let you end it. It just lets you start another goal. 5 super chats with the $1.99. I don't know what the hell this thing's doing. We'll just make another goal. It won't let me end the last one, so we're just going to start another one. Thank you, everybody. This is great. Greatly appreciated. Yeah, but it wasn't. It didn't register Niles, who was the first one, which is what I was talking about. All right, 450s. Okay, here we go. 40 seconds till the opening bell, and we're starting to rip through that 0225 on the 15-minute. Don't forget, we've got 11 as our target. All right. All of this pullback, look at this, right to the median threshold of our order box, of our removal box. Okay. Let's take a look. I know we're about to open, but everyone should either be in a trade or out of the trade already. Okay. But what we need to do is we need to go back to the rules. Okay. Of the thing here. The thing. Number one, identify plausible exhaustion bar. Can we do that? Check. Okay, 11 is our target, folks. 11 is our target. This is a big trade too. This is a big trade. So can we? Where's the 15-minute? Over here. All right. So can we identify the exhaustion bar? Yes. Do we have a draw on liquidity? Yes. Removal of the exhaustion bar? Yes. Okay. And then the last thing that comes through is the 8 crosses through the 20. And we have that. Big time. Big time. It's perfect. Right? 8 through the 20. We can see it here on the 15-minute chart. Boom. So now all 4 of them lining up. 11 is the target. You'll hear it when it's filled. A lot of volume up there at the top. They did not mind. Yeah, I caught that, Elijah. Lay off the Adderall, man. $10 is the all-time high. Can we snap it? And if we print 10 quarter, folks, there's a lot of volume here. They must own this. They got to own it, right? So now, do they absorb or push right through? $11 is the target. Well, one thing we know is don't short the top, don't short all-time highs, right? We've learned this already, right? Okay, Mancini 09. Midpoint, his pivot, he says, is 00 evens. Can we get the 11s filled? Can we get the 11s filled? There's no freaking way it'll fill us. That's not possible. It's going to be a 9-point win. It's going to be a 9-point win. He shoots. He scores. We should see the chat going nuts. With T1, 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 T1. Bang! He shoots. He scores. Folks. Mwah. The chef's kiss. Let's freaking go. Boom. Okay, you got a hole at 10. They said, yeah, bottom. Right now, I want to show you what I was looking at on the tape. This was important. If you're in a long, right? Think about this. If you're in a long, market opens, stretches itself upwards, and then all of the volume comes in right at the top of this thing, pushing on the all-time highs, expect it to go just a little bit further, right? So now, here is the tape read that you're watching. This is the level. I don't care about any other level except for right here. 0725 to 0925, nothing else matters. Nothing else matters. Lexi, check email, please. And let's get that code out there. Private message me the what I should put for the hotkey, and we will flip it over. You can, folks, you can follow me on Twitter, _SageFT. Let's go, TF. All right, we're going to celebrate that one, folks. That was beautiful. You even had places to add, right? You could have added at the 50%. If we're thinking about PD array, right? Premium and discount. Okay, yes, we purchased in premium at $225. Yes. Okay, but you got the chance to get into the discount area. Did anyone take advantage of it? Well, yes. It gave us the perfect entry on the 2-minute chart, ladies and gentlemen. Here it is. Yeah, bottom. Yeah, bottom. Right? No shorting all-time highs. Okay. We have got some fan-freaking-tastic trades for the day. Let's go. Now we're cooking with gas. Sorry, Mark. Yeah, sometimes I forget that I put those on. Thank you. And what do you need to be looking at my screen for anyway? Oh, that's right. I was explaining it. I'm just kidding. All right, one more screen graphic.
Another one. Another one. Another one.
Let's go, baby.
Another one.
Let's go. Let's get this. All right, here's a video on how the Sword and Shield came about. Folks, we are so far from being outside narrow range that if you're not in down here, look, here's the deal. If you're not in off of something down here, there's no entering a trade here, right? There was only exiting a trade. And I want to remind everyone, the reason we got 11, let's be very clear on how this works, okay? 11, look, let me move this so you can see it. It might look a little weird. Perfect. Okay, now I'm going to bring in the rules, right? Here's the rules. Number 1, identify a plausible exhaustion bar. Check. Draw on liquidity. Do we have a draw on liquidity? That was a question. That wasn't rhetorical. Do we have a draw on liquidity? Is this thing on? Ah, thank you, Joey. Phew, man, I thought I was talking to myself. Look, guys, I don't need to say this stuff for me. I know it. I made it. I created this setup, right? This is not for me. This is for you. Please make sure your live button is red. Make sure your live button is red. If you play normal videos at a higher speed, okay, you need to go in the settings and just put it on normal speed. Otherwise, it's going to keep buffering and buffering and buffering, right? Yeah. I was wondering, I was like, people hear me? What the hell, right? So number 3, removal of the exhaustion bar. Okay, here's the removal of the exhaustion bar. So our entry was 02.25, right? So now we draw our box. Our stop is right down here, 93.50. Okay, and then the fractal on the 8 EMA crossing the 20. Okay, that fired, if we look at the 15-minute chart, that fired on the second push. All 4 lined out. So I absolutely took it. And then I think we have it on the 2-minute chart as well. The 2-minute chart showed the same, an actual fractal. An actual fractal. Wow. That was the trade of the day. Trade of the day. Let's go, everybody. If you're new, please make sure you hit that like button, subscribe button, turn notification bells on. The rest of you, hit that like button. Smash it if you have to. Crank it up. Rip off the knob. What a morning. What a morning. Not only have we gotten trades, you guys have gotten some educational value in the content. Yeah, and look at what Rosie put. Rev can read the tape, seeing where institutions are stepping in quietly. This is where the pros play. Ask him how this gives him an edge. Okay, so now when I'm done trading, I'll let you guys know when I'm done. Okay, and then I want you to ask me about that. Okay, ask him how this gives him an edge. Write the question down for when it's time. Coaching with Sage isn't about more trades. It's about better trades. It's a process of refining your instincts and enhancing your skill set. Get a session today. Okay. On the website, 3 sessions, the game plan, and the accountability group. $897 or $900, whatever they came up with the actual number. Okay. All right. Perfect. Furpack. Thank you, Lexi. Good. And now we are introducing Trade Day. So Darko, here's the link. If someone want to be a guinea pig, and here's what I mean by guinea pig. Look, it's a good firm. They had a cookies issue to where we weren't getting paid on all of you guys' referrals, right? So like Robert, was it Robert or Richard? Someone was balling out of control, and we weren't getting paid any of them on any of the referrals, right? So we had over 250 unique clicks, 0 click-throughs. No. No. Our referrals have a 60% click-through rate. So they're too valuable. No, not yesterday. No. It might have been Robert. One of you guys was on Trade Day. Okay. I have to make a new. hotkey. Test. Did we nail that target of 11 or what? Almost like we're all playing the same game. And now we wait. Oh, where is Chris Lewis? I don't see an entry yet. There's a lot of work that has to be done first, everybody. Let's marinate on this BI. All right, so the first thing that I see is we've got the David A / Cheryl trade forming. Okay, so what we're looking at is a pullback to the 20 SMA. If after the 20 SMA goes through the VWAP, right? You see it here? Oh, that's the wrong button. Nice entry, Nick. I just don't see it. Oh, yeah, I do. Okay, at the bottom of the fair value gap. I see it. I see it. I see it. I see it. And where was your stop, Nick? 04? I know you're probably picking up a dumpster right now, but okay, decision point 09. Ethereum sitting at like 2930, folks. So think about it. If it's going to catch up to Bitcoin, right? If it's going to catch up to Bitcoin, it has to double from here. There's a couple of them that I wish I had more of. Solana, SUI, and I wish I would have bought an Ethereum at the bottom. Or 2460, right? Because you're up 20-something%. Yeah, get Crunk at 9s, right? Either it goes or it doesn't. Nick, I got it all drawn out for you, buddy. Yeah, you know, in midlife, when people say that, it absolutely makes me not watch it at all. I mean, I trust you because I know you, right? But when people say watch this one, it could 10x, bullshit. Darko. Yeah, that's not so. Kevin Jordan, are you guys both talking about that? Those are no longer for sale, right? Those are so far into the money, you never look at it again. If you're ever going to sell it, just take a loan against it. Therefore, you don't have to pay taxes on it. Yeah, you guys are in so cheap that it yeah, but staking it on Coinbase is so low for Ethereum right now. Like I was just looking at that, right? If you stake it 2.14%. Hell no. Okay, there's your new all-time highs, folks. Wow, nice entry at 06, Nick. Sweet nectar of the gods. Look at how it respects that bottom of that FVG. Draw on liquidity. Here, let me show you. Here's a draw on liquidity. See how it goes through the low and then doesn't do anything else? That's called a draw on liquidity. Now, there's two types of draws on liquidity, right? There's a grab. There's a liquidity grab where it can come down, close below, and then go back up. Liquidity sweep, which is this one, is where your bars never close. Play that back a few times, Stephen. That's a great question. That's a great question. Let me show you the one in Bitcoin. This will really clear it up for you. It was on the 4-hour chart. Okay. So now, here's the easiest way to see this. This is what we call a liquidity draw or a liquidity sweep. Okay. Right here, you have two tails that go underneath this bar. Okay, tails would be a liquidity sweep. I sold my Palantir too early. I don't even want to think about it. You guys could talk about it. I'm not going to think about it. Okay, so this would be what we call a liquidity sweep. This is a draw on liquidity. So this would be sell side liquidity. If it's going underneath a previous swing low, it's sell side liquidity. If it's going above a previous swing high, it is buy side liquidity. At 56, I want to puke. Tudormore was buying it at 7. That one, here's the deal: if Palantir escapes, if Palantir makes to escape velocity, it will no longer be for sale for you guys, right? There's no trading it. You're going to date it, right? So, Stephen, do you see the draw on liquidity? The rest of you that were wondering as well, type a Y or an N in the chat if you see the draw on liquidity. Because Stephen can't be the only person, right? Please make sure your YouTube live button is red. Great. Erica, great job. Stephen Hanley, did you fall over? All right, we got a new Mancini. Does anyone know what code T12 means for CLSK stock? Google it. Look, it doesn't ask you. It doesn't ask me if I want to Google this or if I want to AI it. I think Stephen fell off of his chair. That could be pending good news. That could be pending bad news. That could be a reverse split. $24 and $35 of VS wants. Yeah, we're at 12 now. 16 is the second target. Okay, 16, 24, 35. It's that kind of song, Tad. It makes it hard. It makes it hard to trade with ADHD when you have Metallica fuel on. I can't trade up here. If anyone's wondering what I'm doing, nothing. My rules are rules. I have to wait for a complete pullback to the lower Keltner. Here's why. Here's why. Those of you that are new are probably going, why isn't this guy trading? First of all, I already did. Oops. And here's why I can't. When we're the narrowest range the last 7 trading days, which you can see here, ATR of 1 on the daily chart, I have to trade the 2-minute Keltners. So my setup has to come in down here. Okay, now, could I be long down here and stay long? Yes. Go on, Tad. Go on. Nice entry, Nick. Nick, what was your stop? I don't know if you answered that question. Yeah, C's up. Don't even think about it. It's just one of the 100 stocks that we have. You know what I mean? It's just another trade, my friend. Just like when you're trading futures, okay? It's just another trade. Do we fall on the right side of probability or the wrong side, right? On the winning side or the losing side? 03, just trying to, okay, copy that. 03 from 06. And the 06 was the bottom of the fair value gap. Am I saying that correctly? Because your entry was spot on. That's why I'm asking the question. I mean, they didn't even complete business below you. Me too. Nick, if I come, you live in Sacramento? If I come to Sacramento, can I ride along with you for the day? And we just stream from the truck? And we just take Nick's trades while he's driving his garbage truck? What if we find out that he doesn't actually drive a garbage truck? That he just trades from his home, from his house, in his underwear, on his desk, on his couch? All right, sitting at all-time highs, folks. I haven't even checked the IRA today. I'm guessing hangover day for my IRA. Yep, I'm completely flat. Energy transfer is down, so they're taking a breather. Bros is heating up again. Tesla 307. Let's go. Bang. What's Nvidia doing? Taking a breather. Jack shit. Oh, it hit its head on 150 and it said, hold on a minute. Like that Drake meme. It's like, Energy transfer is getting clipped. Good. Amazon's taking a breather. TLT is up. So the interest rates are going down. I'm going to add a little bit to my added a little bit to my inverse S&P hedge. Very, very light. Let's go, Richard. Don't forget to smash that like button. I didn't get a pullback to the 20. All right, 16 is your second target. Make sure to lock in those profits and leave runners. 024, 035 if ES wants more. Mancini. Nile, no chasing. Is that who typed that in? Yep. No chasing, buddy. David, was the trade the line break? Or did the NQ hit? The NQ hit its. Oh, look at that sword on the 2-minute NQ. Yeah, doesn't that person that's messaging you know that you can see my hands and my face and that I'm actually not texting you? Freaking ass clown. Yeah, I saw that, David. That was beautiful. Post it over in Discord. We actually have a link. We actually have a channel for that. Scammers. Hashtag scammers. Yeah. Yeah, no kidding. Put FTT in that scammer channel. Yeah. I knew it was a scam the second I looked at it because that doesn't make any sense. Derb has been crushing it before the market even opens. My view on the NQ versus ES, I don't have one. The ES popping into higher highs is for me is because the banks and the non-discretionary type things. Yeah, I was just thinking that the wire right, once you send a wire, that is finite, right? That is the end of it. There's no getting it back. And just like the BTC, you send your BTC off. Okay, first touch of the 20 on the pullback here. Yes, TF, that's exactly what happened. They broke out on this bar here. Yep. And so they caught him. They said, oh, those accounts are going long? Liquidity. Yeah, because when you send the wire, it makes you confirm that that's the actual place it's going. Because once you send a wire, All right, your breaker, you're coming into your breaker block here. $8.25 is your median threshold of the breaker block. Look, we can just change this fair value gap to this breaker block. Now, David, were you just taking the line break? Because I don't see it. So right here. Okay. Oh, it's been a great morning, everybody. It's been a great morning. G-Man, where are you at? I know where Camillo is. He's here. He's not here, but he's here. Know what I mean? Know what I mean? All right, David. Have a great weekend, buddy. All right, everybody. Let's spam the Stay Frosty for David. Have a good one, buddy. You deserve a great weekend. TJ Fry, you need to change that name to green, son. Those of you that are gray, turn green. Nah. Mr. Gep, welcome to the team, brother. Welcome to team player on player. There, Mr. Gep. What do you think of that? Huh? All these cool emotes. Test fund Lambo Claritin. Let's go, baby. You know this. You know this. The reason I'm not shorting is we're right into that breaker block. Mart, welcome to Team Players. See, Team Gray is not better. Team Green is better. Here's the trade I'm not taking. Here's the trade I'm not taking. As juicy as it looks, I identify as gray. I identify as haired. Yep. Here's Tinkerbell. And this is Nina Bonina. Nina Bonita. All right, Mart. Great job this week. How'd you do? It doesn't matter if you're red or green. Did you follow the process? Did you follow exactly what you're supposed to be doing? And welcome to Team Green. Yeah, you'll see when I lock in again, folks. I need lower Keltner, right? Wouldn't that just be juice? We go right down to the 200, right down to lower Keltner, and then we find the perfect Tony L trade? Wouldn't that just be something? All right, if you have any questions while we're at mid Keltner, let me know. While we're at mid Keltner, talk to me. Talk to me. This is the time that I'm going to look at the chat. Here's what you've earned for the 10 donations or tips or whatever they're called, super chats from earlier. Now's the time to get the questions in. I'm done for the day. Missed the big pre-market trade and forced another one. I did end up green, but I have to call it. Everyone have a great weekend and stay safe. Dustin, have a wonderful weekend, buddy. Great job. Smash that like button on your way out. VPOC 0875. It's chilling right above it, right in that order block. So does it become a mitigation by turning into a head and shoulders? Okay, or does it hold? Let's go back and review that compound box. I missed it because I didn't see it. Is that okay? Yeah. You mean, so remember, it starts on the 15-minute. This is going to be great. Remember, it starts on the 15-minute. Okay, so make sure you guys can see it. Okay. Yeah, all right. So the first one is, oh, okay, well, maybe, right? But then once the fractal starts to really ramp upwards, that's when it's like, okay, now I'm listening, right? So if we look at 8:30 a.m. on the 15-minute, okay, which just drags us back into the box on the 15, we say, okay, well, where would be a better place to enter with a smaller stop? So glad you asked. Because remember, the box looks like this on the 15-minute. It looks like this. 93.50. So the box looks like this. So what we want to do is we want to find a better entry. So it came down. I say this hit lower Keltner, but then we get the fractal on the 2-minute start to turn up. This tells us to be watching for the removal here. We get draw on liquidity on the 2-minute. Let me bring back the 15. Okay, we get draw on liquidity on the 15-minute. You can see it here. Gingerbread. That's a great question. That's answered right here. That's a wonderful question. And it's very specific. That's why you had trouble seeing it. Okay, good. Right, so the 15-minute and then the 2-minute fractal kind of lined it up perfectly. Yep. Good. And remember, we're at all-time highs. We don't short all-time highs. And until it breaks 79, you don't sell, right? Remember the Mancini. Until we break 79, it is long only. And welcome. Who was that? Gingerbread? Welcome. How do you put your limit order, and when do you put it before or after cancel or after candle close? It is explained in great detail in the game plan, and then you'll find that answer. Gingerbread. You will find that answer by just hanging out and watching what we're doing. That way, instead of just saying, "Oh, he said this," just watch what we're doing. Right? You'll hear the orders when I place them. Oh, this is ugly. Yeah, we're supposed to be long, aren't we? $15.50 stop. Are you guys long? Damn. $15.50 first target. 008 stop. The reason I say damn is I need it to be down here. I need lower Keltner. I need draw on liquidity. Okay? That's why I say, oh, damn. And no, I'm not in this trade. Here's what it looks like. That's a tasty burger. Damn, there's your target. Get him if you got him. Get him if you got him. Nice trade, everybody. Wow. I got caught monologuing on that one. That's okay. I did say questions are open. Wow. Niall, there you go. And if you think about it, it is the David A trade. And it is the Cheryl trade, right? It's the pullback to the 20 and then your first green overtakes red. Miss Robin, let's go. Miss Robin, schedule that second call. Let's get you lined out for the next 45 days. Let's schedule it for next week. Let's line you out. It is time for you to put some fuel on that fire, my friend. Fast Track Trading, a 6-month-old new futures firm one of the louder voices touting disruption in this industry, not only shut down unexpectedly, but they allegedly left millions in payouts unpaid to traders. They shut down their Discord, deleted social accounts, and left their traders holding the bag. Wow, here we go. PRVA doing work. Did you guys join me on that one? Is this set up in your game plan when you tell me which to avoid and which to take? So here's my recommendation, Gingerbread. Schedule yourself calls with me, because I would love to tell you that I will tell you which ones win and which ones lose, right? But Gingerbread, watch this. Gingerbread, watch the answer to the question that you have. Everybody ready? G-Man, queuing G-Man. Gingerbread, watch this. Traders, does the next trade win or lose? My hands are up here. Does the Gingerbread, does the next trade win or lose? There's the actual answer to the question that you have. On the one-on-one calls, I'm going to show you exactly how to use that question to your advantage. The first thing I'm going to show you, Gingerbread, on the one-on-one calls, I'm going to show you how to stop guessing. Now, you sign up for the one-on-one calls, the game plan's included. So don't buy the game plan first. Get the call, and we'll give you the game plan. We don't know which one will. So Gingerbread, did you see the 100 people answer that question? TJ, let's go, baby. Smash that like button, son. That is what I'm going to show you on the one-on-one calls. It's not something that I just answer right here. It's too valuable. The answer to that question is too valuable, and the people that have paid for the answer will frown upon me giving the answer without payment. TJ, if you don't need the money, all of it. If you don't need the payout, don't take the payout. Monthly, 30 days apart. Gingerbread, great question. Great. Now here's some real questions. Great question. Yeah, 30 to 40 days apart. The biggest challenge that I see traders doing is they'll schedule one and then they don't schedule the second or third. Okay, that's why we've bundled 3 of them. That's why we've bundled 3 of them together. Well, I just appear smart. I've got a team behind me that's actually smart. Not I, said the fly to the one-eyed guy. And then Gingerbread, every week you're going to be in your account. There's an accountability group for people that have had a one-on-one call with me. If you've had a one-on-one call with me, folks, they're every Sunday afternoon. There's an accountability group that meets. It is mandatory that you guys be in that. Okay, every once in a while, David A is going to stop by and explain his trade, that kind of thing. Man, these cryptos are swinging. Do you guys see that one that Nick Tudormore posted? The name of the coin was called Retardio. He's literally up 1,000% or something like that. And if you, Gingerbread, if you need references, anyone in this chat. Nothing happened to it. Yeah, the code is lifer. Elijah, will you post the link to the combo package that we have? You wanna buy the 900 package, right? Because and here's why. Traders left to their own devices never hold up their end of the bargain. I'll just get one call and see how it is. One call is 500. Okay. The biggest regret that when people take too long between their sessions is they go, damn, I should have scheduled that session, right? Like one of our guys. Well, first thing he says is, it's been 8 months since my first session. I should have done it a lot sooner. Yesterday, I had a session with a client, and it was his third. He waited 12 months from his second to his third. That's 12 months you can't get back. You can just move forward. That was a perfect long at 1150, 1175. Great job, those of you that got it. I got caught monologuing. It's okay, though. It's Friday. We've had a great week. We've had a wonderful week. Fantastic, folks. Fan-freaking-tastic, folks. Stupendous, if we will. It's 10:30. It's been an hour since the opening bell. Let's go ahead and get a barometer check. Are you green or red? I cannot vote, but I am green. You can see my trades. You can see my money. What we want you to do, Gingerbread. The code is lifer. And just schedule the first one, and we'll get you squared away. You can schedule 3 at a time, and it will be the same price. So just schedule 30 days apart. And the lifer code will really help you. Nick, why are you asking about the footprint? Shiny objects, shiny objects, shiny objects. Don't worry about it. All right, Jeff. Hmm. This thing looks higher. Now, Nick, amnesia, to answer the question, in hindsight, yes. Yes, right here. Trash Panda. 19's printing, folks. 19's printing. Isaiah is in the building. Well, Nick, remove the excitement, then you're working your way towards being a professional. You see what I mean? Remember, I'm putting sizzle on the steak because I'm running a stream, right? Oh, yeah. It's been a great morning, folks. Sitting at all-time highs. It just can't stop, won't stop. Isaiah, did you take the 1028 bar? Ouch. He's down. He's got to be down like 120,000. I was going to say 200,000. 1020 and 1028. Perfect. 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 I see how you got 19. I love it. I love it. Shut it down, Stephen. Shut it down, my friend. Not today, Satan. The weird thing about Rogue is his commentary makes it sound personal, like they're out to attack his position. They don't give a shit about his tiny positions. Look, even if he's up 150 grand, that's a tiny position, right? So his character, his integrity is skewed. Yeah, his ego is too boisterous. When he shorted Davey, when he shorted that first time, he got it right. And then what did he do? He shorted again, right? After it went down to 57.24 and it came back up, he started shorting again, and it's like, dude, I don't see it, man. And he says, "Oh, I've coded the blah 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 blah. There's a blank wall, whatever he says. There's a put wall or a call wall, right? A vol wall, whatever the frick he calls it, right? And I don't see it. Gamma wall, yeah, whatever he calls that, right? So if we just look at the three things, right? The 57.24 low, if that wasn't violated, there was no short signal. There's no short signal, right? I mean, this is the perfect place for them to grab lick. And what did they do? Oh, they grabbed his lick. No, EJ, no. He's just entertainment. I had to stop following him because he'll post 300 times in the middle of the night because he's stuck in a position. It's the same rogue trader, EJ, that we were talking about a year and a half ago. Rogue. Yeah, it's too exhausting. I don't even follow him on X anymore because he's such a nut job, like personally. Miss Robin, see ya. Yeah, that's a bearish bar. See ya, TF. Yeah, we'll shut the stream down here in a few minutes. It's been a great morning. That's a bearish bar there, folks. That's a bearish bar. Drippy drip drip. Drippy drip 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 drip. Drippy drip. Niall, let's see. Niall, I will start a Zoom here in a minute.
Recording in progress.
That's not what I meant to do. That's not what I meant to do. Yeah, I'll send you a link here in a minute. Yep, and then we'll chat for a few minutes, and then send you on your way. How do I do it? Um, I don't know how to do it. I don't know how to do it. Yeah. So I will just send you. I'll send you an email here shortly. Yeah, yeah, it'll be 10, 15, 20 minutes. I'm gonna step out for a minute and then I'll be back. All right, so let's see. We got hello, Bullish Bar.
Order submitted. Order filled.
That seller on the uptick has to disappear. Yeah, they're leaning into the bid here. Okay, 21.25 on the ES has to print. It may go down first, canceling that ad order, but the MES printed 21.25, so the ES has to catch up. It's got to get those 3 ticks out of there. It has to. Look how many traded at the offer 2050. 279 cars. Here it comes. Here comes your 21.25s. Does it go down first, or does it just go straight to it? It doesn't like that mismatch imbalance here. See? Come on, print up so I can move the stop up. Print up, print up. There's 21.50s. Okay, stops up, stops up. Don't give this back. Stops the 19. Okay, I'm out. 22.50 is your target if you're still in. So 3 points. Great trade. Absolutely freaking fantastic trade. $22.50. Here's how I have the trade drawn. Here it is right here, folks. Live and direct. Live and direct. I took 21 quarters just because I'm a ninny. Yep, no more trading now. Wrap it up, wrap it up. Yep. Good, 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 good. Yeah, we'll call it. Yeah. I'm gonna eat breakfast first, though. I smell protein being cooked, so I'm gonna eat before we do that. Okay, let's go ahead and get the poll ended here. 77% green for a 20-minute soak. 57 votes, 77% green, 22% red. Absolutely fantastic. 22.50 coming, folks. Don't let it fool you. Don't let it fool you. Don't let it fool you. Oh no. All right. Those of you on the social media, hello, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, depending on where you are. This is SageFT. My name is Revan Wood. I'm the founder and coach of the live trading desk on YouTube. We are streaming Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. 8 a.m. till close, not closing bell till we close our accounts because they're so freaking green. All right, 2250 if you're long here, folks. 2250. Let me draw it for you on this one. That way you can see what we're talking about. Okay, here's the long. 2250. Right? Okay. Now, so let's just go over the trades that we took. All right. So what we were waiting for was lower Keltner. We only got lower Keltner one time here, right? So we drew the box. I got a scratch trade here. I got a full port trade here. And then if we bring in the 15-minute, which gave us the context, right? Because if you're following the Sunday night review and rev ups, you know that the weekly, the monthly, the weekly, the daily is in position 1 to the upside for over 11 months now. Okay. So then we go down to the 4-hour, bullish again. Okay. 15-minute. Here's the 15-minute chart. We needed to find a draw on liquidity, and then we needed to remove the draw on liquidity. So if you look at this box, this is exactly what we did. We got 0225 with a 93.50 stop. First target was 11. Second target was 1975. Are you guys going to get your 2250s? I think you are. I think you're going to get filled. There's your 2250s. You bought them. There it is, folks. Close it up. There's no reason to keep trading. Thank you. Those of you that are in Twitter land and Facebook land, protein delivery. Good. Bang. Okay, so we're inside the 15-minute removal down here. How did we play it? I'm glad you asked. This was a question that one of the chat members asked. How did we play it? Well, we waited for it to break even with a 97.75 stop. Now, if you held, you're up 20 points, 22 points, 23 points, 23 points if you held, right? Now, the other way that some of the traders took it is they took this line break here, okay? And then some people were so studious that they were able to take the bottom of the fair value gap here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now, it's the pullback to the 20-period simple moving average after it moves above the VWAP, shown here. So let's look at the play. Okay, play 1 and play 2. Here's the trade. And yes, you would have gotten filled because it completed business. 1175, your first target was 1550, second target was 1925. Okay, then the next trade. Let's go to the next one. Okay, here's the next one. Okay, and then here was the next one. Oh, already have the next one on there, right? Here was the next one. Boom. That's it. That's it. Don't make it any more complicated. Okay, that's going to wrap up this week, everybody. It's been absolutely fantabulous. Okay, right now, $900, 3 sessions, accountability group, and the game plan. Get locked in. Contact at SageFT.com. If you have questions, we'll get them answered. Give us just a little bit of time because the people that work in the backgrounds, they're 9 hours ahead of the United States. MJ Rowe, you're very welcome. Smash that like button on the way out, everybody. I want to remind everyone, we have a Discord pumping 23 and a half hours a day, 6.5, 5.5 days a week. There's people in there trading. There's people from all over the world. So there's people trading any time of the day. That's going to do it. Good night. Happy weekend, everybody. Go Packers.